Hello everyone, Namaskar and good day. In today's video, we will look at GR Infra Projects' upcoming IPO, share some details and provide our recommendations, so stay tuned. Let us take a look at the IPO details. The net IPO size is Rs 962 crores at the higher price band of Rs 837 per share. The entire IPO is made up of offer for sale of approximately 1.15 crore shares by selling shareholders, and the company will not receive any proceeds from the issue. The issue opens on 7th July 2021 and closes on 9th July 2021. The price band is Rs 828 to Rs 837 per share, and the bid lot is 17 shares. Post the issue, the market cap of the company will be Rs 8,093 crores, and the shares are likely to be listed on the exchanges on 19 July 2021. So what does the company do? GR Infra Projects, or GRIL, is an integrated EPC company with an established track record of timely execution. They have designed and constructed various roads and highway projects across 15 states in India. They have also diversified into projects in railway sector recently. Their principal business is civil construction, comprising of EPC and BOT projects in the road sector. As of 31st March 2021, GRIL had an order book of Rs 19,025.81 crores, comprising of 16 EPC projects, 10 HAM projects, and 3 other projects. Its integrated model provides extensive control on project execution. Positive points: GRIL has focused on the road projects whilst executing EPC projects and has established its credentials as an EPC player with strong execution capabilities. GRIL will be able to expand into new markets and compete due to its experience of executing projects with varied degrees of complexities. GRIL has efficient project management and execution experience, which has enabled project completion prior to or by scheduled timelines. Its in-house integrated model ensures that products and services required are available on time and meet quality standards. All projects during financial year 2019 to 2021 were completed prior to or by the scheduled timelines. Finally, the company has a strong operational performance over the past. It stands out owing to its industry-leading revenue and EBITDA growth rates, and has one of the best return ratios among peers. Financials: the company's revenue has grown at CAGR of 21.86% over financial year 2019 to 2021 to Rs 7,844 crores. EBITDA has grown at 20.05% to Rs 1,850 crores, and PAT has grown at CAGR of 15.33% to Rs 953 crores over the same period. Brief peer comparison. As far as the peer comparison is concerned, the company has comparable margin profile but clearly stands out in terms of better ROCE. From a book-to-bill perspective, it is 2.7x on financial year 2021 standalone numbers, which is comparable to industry peers like Dilip Buildcon and KNR Construction. Risk: the business is working capital intensive and requires capital investments from time to time. Additionally, premature closure of any of its projects or revoking of concession agreement pose as a risk. Increases in the prices of construction materials, fuel, labor, and equipment could have an adverse effect on the business.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully.